So, you want pretty nails? Our nails are just as important as the rest of our body, and it's important that they are kept clean and strong. Dirty and unhealthy nails can make the hands look ugly and even lead to fungi infections. Healthy nails, on the other hand, help you look clean, put together, and are the perfect canvas for nail polish and other accessories. This video will show you how to get just that. There's also a bonus near the end, so make sure to watch it all the way so you don't miss it. The first part is all about prepping those nails for their glow up. First things first, let's take a good look at what we're working with. Wash your hands with a gentle soap, then hold them up to the light and examine the fingernails. Are they chipped, broken, or discolored? This will help you determine the best course of action. The next step is to put together your nail care kit. For this you'll need a nail clipper, a nail file, cuticle oil, some nail polish remover and cotton pads. Soak a cotton pad in some sil polish remover and gently swipe it across your nails to remove any stains of leftover nail polish. Remember to be gentle, so as to not damage the nail surface. Once all the nail polish is gone, use another cotton pad and plain water to wipe off the nail polish remover. Next up is moisturization and strengthening. Hydration is essential for healthy nails, just like it is for the skin and hair. Unfortunately for us, our bodies don't prioritize sending moisture to our nails. So, it's up to us to give them the moisture they need ourselves. Apply 1 or 2 drops of cuticle oil to each cuticle and massage it gently into the surrounding skin. This helps keep your nails and cuticles soft and prevents them from becoming dry and cracked. You can also use a good hand cream to further moisturize your hands and nails. Make applying cuticle oil and hand cream a regular part of your routine. Do it in the morning and evening, or whenever your hands feel dry. Now, let's talk about shaping those beauties. The perfect fingernail shape can elevate the whole hand look. For this, it's important to consider the natural shape of your fingers and choose a shape that complements them. If you have long fingers, consider almond or shape filing, and if you have short fingers, file your nails in an oval to elongate the appearance of the fingers. Always file in one direction, using short strokes. Avoid filing from left to right, as it can damage your nails. Now that the nails are cleaned and filed, it's time to take care of the cuticles. They are essential in protecting the nail bed from infection, but can sometimes get dry and overgrown, and even get infections. So, let's learn how to take care of them properly, shall we? First things first, never cut your cuticles. This can lead to infection. Instead, gently push them back using a cuticle pusher or a rounded stick. Apply some cuticle oil after pushing them back to keep them soft and healthy. You can also apply some shea butter for extra moisturization. Now for that bonus I promised, here's a DIY cuticle oil recipe. This recipe will make about 10 milliliters of oil. You'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 5 drops of vitamin E oil, and 5 drops of lemon oil. Using a funnel, pour the olive oil into a clean and empty dropper bottle. Add 5 drops of vitamin E oil into the mix, then add your lemon oil. Gently swirl the bottle to combine all ingredients. Avoid shaking vigorously because this can create foam. Your DIY cuticle oil is ready to use. Apply a drop or 2 to each cuticle and massage gently into the surrounding skin. Now, let's talk about some bad habits you might have, and will need to cut off, in order to achieve your fabulous nail dreams. Nail biting. This nervous habit weakens and damages your nails through constant chipping and tearing. Find healthier ways to manage stress, like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Using nails as tools. We all do it sometimes, but using your nails as tools to pry open things or scrape off labels puts unnecessary strain on them. Opt for actual tools instead. Picking and peeling at cuticles. Cuticles protect the nail bed from infection. Picking and peeling at them can damage this barrier and lead to infections or inflammation. Gently push them back with a cuticle pusher after softening with oil. Constant polish application. Taking breaks from nail polish allows your nails to breathe and recover from potential damage caused by polish removers and chemicals. Let your nails breathe naturally for a few weeks between polishes. By following these tips and incorporating them into your daily nail care routine, you can achieve and maintain healthy, beautiful nails and enjoy long-term nail health. In this way, you can enhance your overall appearance and feel 100 times more confident and polished.